For this video, you will need your multimeter, multimeter leads, and a battery. A multimeter is a device that allows for the measurement of voltage, resistance, continuity, and more. First, we will plug our leads into the jacks needed. The black lead will always go into the jack labeled COM or common. The red jack will go into a different jack depending on what you want to measure. We want to measure current, so place it into the voltage jack. Now, let's change our multimeter switch to the direct current setting and measure a few objects' voltage. Notice that if the prongs are set in the wrong spot, the reading will just become negative. This is okay. Now, let's switch to the resistance settings to see what we can do. Here we have the resistance of a hand, but unfortunately, in order to measure the resistance of a circuit, you would have to remove the circuit from the board. Congratulations! You now know how to use a multimeter properly.